What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coop with another quick video, and today I'm going to be showing you what to do when your cup holder decides to just flop around in your Honda Fit. Now, behind the cup holder there's going to be springs, and if you pull the cup holder out too hard or too far, those springs just end up becoming disconnected. All you got to do is just take all of this apart and reattach the springs. So first things first, you're going to want to pull the weather seal. Since you're going to be pulling this panel here, just throw that off to the side. And down here is going to be an 8mm screw.
What do I do with my ratchet? Oh no. Okay.
All right, and then you can take this panel and pull it like so. And this panel goes the entirety of your footwell. So the entire length around underneath the steering wheel over to this other side here. So you're gonna grab underneath and pull it. Sounds worse than it actually is. Not horrible. There we go. And that is this panel. You can go ahead and disconnect all of your connections. So there's going to be 2 green connectors, a white connector, and this little clip right here. Once you have those disconnected, you'll be able to get behind here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. All right, so that bracket there, that little bracket there, they're what the spring should go up into, and those are what hold the spring into place so that it works the way it was intended. And just over time, I mean, they end up working themselves out of the two brackets. All you got to do to get them up there is just take the spring, push it up, get your tiny little hand in there. Tiny hands really helps in this situation. So I'm a little blessed in that department. Just go until they both snap into place. Should hear like a click. And once they are in place, cup holder should work like it was intended to. Instead of flopping around like a fish. So that's pretty much it. Reassembly is just, in the reverse order that you took it apart, and that's how you take care of that problem if it's really a problem for you, in your Honda Fit. But again, I mean, it's a really simple, easy fix, and it's not the end of the world. It's I actually kind of half expected I would have to pull some of the dash out and everything, but it's just 2 panels and popping the clips back in, or the springs back into the clips, and then that's it. Easy peasy. All right, hope this video helped you guys, and I'll catch you next time.